Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to do the review and the quiz for the loops in Python. Now, in this lesson, we did learn how to write a for loop, how to use a range in a loop, how to write a while loop, what infinite loops are, how to control loops using the break or continue, how to write elegant loops using list comprehensions. So let's go ahead and practice a little bit more with it. So, create a list called single digits that consists of the numbers between 0 and 9 inclusive. So we'll do single digits equals range, and I'll do 0 through 9. Alright, we have to put this as a list. I forgot. List. Perfect. And then let's create a for loop that goes through single digits and prints everything. So for digit in single digits, print digit. Okay, now before the loop, create a list called squares. Okay, squares, and assign it to an empty list. Inside the loop that iterates through single digits, append the squared value of each element of single digits to the list squares. Okay, you can do this before or after printing the element. Okay, well, let's do it after. So we can do squares squares dot append digit times digit. Now after the loop, print out squares. Oh, sorry. That wasn't working. Squares. There you go. And yeah, it prints everything correctly. Now create a list called cubes using a list comprehension on the single digits list. Each element of cube should be the element taken to the third power. Okay, so can do cubes equals can name it digits for digits times 3 for digits and single digits. Print cubes. There you go, everything cubed. Beautiful. We just wrote how to do it in like just regularly, how to use it in squares, and we actually use list comprehension to do it using use list comprehension to make cubes. And for range, make sure it's wrapped around a list. I keep forgetting this is Python, but yeah, wrap around the list. But yeah, that's gonna do it, and then we'll go ahead and take the quiz. Earn more XP there. Let's go ahead and take the quiz right now. Taking a second here to load up, but here we go. 10 questions. Let's ace this. Okay, which of the which of these list comprehensions will create a list equal to desired list? Okay, so list comprehension, let's see, okay, for I in range 5, desired list, I minus 1. I minus 1, yeah, kind of makes sense, yeah it does. So I minus 1 for I in range 5. Yeah, this one right there. Okay, what would be the output of the following code? For I in range 3, print 5. Print 5. So just print a bunch of 5s, I believe. Yeah, I'll just print a bunch of 5s like so. Because it's going to execute it 3 times. Now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2. It's going to stop before it gets to the 3, right? Because this is our stopping value. Okay, what would be the output of the following code? Drink choices with coffee, tea, water, juice, and soda. For drink and drink choices, print out the drink. So it basically prints everything in drink choices. Yeah, then it just prints it out like that. Now, what would be the following code? Okay, let's see. For number and numbers, so we're taking every one of these. If number is mod 2, which means it's even, continue, and then print number. So we will skip over the even numbers. So it's just gonna print the odd numbers like so. Fill in the blank with the appropriate while condition in order to print the numbers 1 through 10 in order. So I equals 1 while I is less than or equal to 10. Yeah, this one right here. Okay, which of these list comprehensions will make a list equal to desired list? My list is 5, 10, 2, 8, and 20. So I'm guessing it has to be greater than 8. I for I, if I is greater than 5, I is greater than 10. See. I believe it will just print out if I is greater than 10. I think this one does it. There you go. And then for I in range 3, print I. So it's going to print 0, 1, 2, like so. Fill in the code to go over the list group topics and print every element. So for sublist in group topics, for element sublist in, for sublist element in sublist, print out sublist element. There you go. Nested for loop right there. What would be the output of the following code? Numbers 1, 1, 2, 3. For number and numbers, if number is even, then stop. So it just prints out 1, 1, and then it stops. Last question, let's see if we can score 100 on this. So what would be the following output of the code? So numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. For number and numbers, print hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just print hello 4 times. There you go. that was the loops review and the quiz, and we scored 100 on both. So really excited for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, check out the top link in the description. You can find internships and tips on getting your next internship or job. Hopefully that'll help you out completely for free. But other than that, subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next day.